Merry Christmas, everyone, and welcome to Cocktails with Carol. Today we are making, it doesn't have a name. It's the Amaretto cocktail. And before I talk about the cocktail, I want to talk about the two people that are here with me. One you're familiar with, my lovely sidekick and sister, Karen.
Hello.
It's good to have Karen back. And then joining us for the first time is my nephew, Joey. Hi, Joey.
Hi, everyone.
So, Joey is a junior at Cornell University, and he just flew in this morning. He is almost 21, but we think that that's okay. And in the Moran house, as long as you're in the house, you're cool. He will be turning 21 on Christmas Day. Ho, ho, ho. We're going to have a good time. So let's get to the cocktail. So as many of you may know or not know, I work as a teacher, and I work with a woman, Miss Carlos, and she was talking to me about cocktails, and this is one that she served at her family Christmas party last year. I believe that's the story. And then her partner, Miss Wright, kindly went to the locker and looked up the recipe for us to try. She said it was a really great cocktail that was very festive and wasn't too boozy, which, okay, we're going to give it a try. Before you get started with the cocktail, what's that?
Boozy.
Boozy. I know. It's like, when was the last time we did that this summer? And I feel like I'm not quite on my mark.
Oh, you're on your mark. You're a teacher.
Get set, go. But anyway, one of the things she talked about that said that it would make it look really festive. This is the one thing you have to make ahead of time. So I'm going to stab one of these. It's a cranberry that has been boiled in sugar water, cooled, and then sprinkled with sugar. So what I did was I took a half a cup of sugar, a half a cup of water, and I boiled it for 3 minutes. I added the fresh cranberries for another minute, and then I laid it out on parchment paper for an hour to cool, and then I sprinkled it with the sugar. And I actually have 3 containers full of these. So this is going to be in every cocktail or beverage that I serve this holiday season. And it actually, you can eat it. It's really good. Karen, did you want to try it?
Sure.
Joey, did you try one before?
Yeah, I've no.
Okay. Okay.
Very sweet.
You're not getting any of the tartness of the cranberry?
It's hard. The sweet.
That's good.
It's good, isn't it? Okay.
So they actually freeze them and have them as ice cubes.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Keep your drink warm.
Oh, yeah.
Kinda cool.
Good idea, Karen. Maybe we'll do that with some of them. Okay. So let's make the drink. Now I'm making 4, so I'm going to have to use my math skills. The ingredients that we use are amaretto. Now I was concerned about the amaretto because this is almond flavored and I'm allergic to nuts, but I looked it up and this liqueur by Disaronno is actually made from apricot pits. So I'm good with that. Then we also have to use cranberry.
Sounds like the pits.
Yeah, it would be the pits. I was thinking, am I going to need to have an EpiPen?
We should probably have an EpiPen just in case.
Where's the EpiPen? Miso! No. So cranberry juice. I squeezed a couple limes in to the ramekin. And a splash of ginger beer. Now this is the ginger beer that our brother Bill, his uncle Bill, prefers. There's fewer calories, so it's a lower in sugar, and it's got a little bite, like maybe it's
but great taste.
Yeah, great taste. And then we have the sugar cranberries. So that's what I have as the directions. I'm just gonna figure I'm gonna use my shaker. I have some ice. Like Hector would measure out the ice, right? Like that's 3 cubes, 6 cubes. What do you think?
3 each.
No, well, I'm gonna put cubes in there too, but to shake it with. Add a couple more for.
Yeah, just
Okay.
make it nice and cold.
Okay, so 1 ounce of amaretto, and since there's 4 of us drinking, I've learned that this is the ounce. This is the 1.5 ounce. So you really learn a lot when you're doing cocktails with Carol. So because this is our only alcohol, I might do an extra. So that's 1, 2. Maybe Karen, move the glasses out of the way. I don't know. Thank you, Joey. 4. And then I'm going to pour just a little extra for good luck. Oh, let's see. What is it's very nutty. Tastes very nutty. Okay, so the cranberry juice is 2 ounces. 2 times 4 is 8. So we'll use this side. We'll just put 3 of these in here. Because it's, how do they get it so it doesn't spill? That's 3, 4.5, 6. I'm getting a lot of it on the table. Good thing it's oilcloth. Okay, that's good. And then it says a half a lime. I think that I squeezed 3 limes. So I'm going to put a lot of this, but not all of it. Okay. And then I think I will shake it. Now, Joey, would you do me the honors? I'm going to put my recipe to the side and line up my 4 glasses and put a couple cubes in each. Karen, do you want to take toothpicks? And we're a really quiet crowd here tonight. I don't know. This is all business.
I'm just excited to get this drink.
Yeah. Okay. Now, why don't you put more than 1?
Okay, bossy.
I would put 3. So we're going to have, we have the 4 glasses. Okay, I jiggered this off. Oh, look at it, another drink that's really super pretty. I'm going to measure it out so everyone gets a fair amount. Okay, and then we're going to put a splash of the ginger beer, and then I guess you can just stir it yourself with your ginger beer. Splash, 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 splash.
You did say it that time.
Splash. Don't those look pretty? Oh, they almost look too pretty to drink. Okay, here's one for you now. I taste first, Joey,
Okay.
and then
Not the pecking order.
then you guys can taste. Because I have to give my reaction.
Yeah, are we gonna do a close up?
Okay, we're ready for my first taste. Okay, so this is the Amaretto Christmas cocktail. And before I drink this, I have to say I do like ginger beer. Oh, that is so good. That's delicious. Wait, it is so Christmassy. It's just delightful. You're going to have to try. Everyone raise their glass. Should we do a cheers?
Cheers.
Cheers. So happy.
Mary Catherine.
Mary Catherine and Joey are here.
It's kind of like an adult kitty cocktail.
Yeah, like a Shirley Temple.
Oh,
Shirley
yeah.
Temple.
Yeah,
You're
it's
right.
sweet, it's good.
Yeah.
You're right. These would go down really easily.
Yummy.
They do go down really easily.
Mm. Well, that's why I wonder if whiskey would taste good in it. Joey, will you jump up
Whiskey
and
is
go
quicker.
get the Bushmills? Keep the camera rolling. Let's try a little Bushmills in this and see how it tastes.
Can you let us know what Bushmills is?
Bushmills is Irish whiskey. Now, it's made in the north, but what I learned when I was in Ireland at the Bushmills distillery, it's right down on the bottom in the front. Yeah. That all of the ingredients, natural ingredients used to make Bushmills, actually grown in the South. Now, this is a new bottle because at Thanksgiving, Karen's husband, Rob, came over. And I think it was like, yeah, it's probably like around right here. Rob drank all of it. But very nicely, Rob sent over another bottle today. So I've got 2 bottles of Bushmills. Now let's take, so I'm going to try it with a shot of whiskey in it. Do you want to try it with a shot of whiskey in it? Okay. Because I think that might be a really interesting layer. And it'll make it boozier.
Boozy. Let's sister up.
Okay. Did you want some, Mary?